Hey guys, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my cheesesteak egg roll. So let's cook. So here I have one large onion, one large green pepper, and about a cup and a half of chopped up mushrooms. And I just diced everything into small pieces like this. So that it'll fit inside our egg roll wrapper with no problem. And you're gonna set that off to the side. So here I have about 1.5 pounds of thinly sliced ribeye steak, and I just went through and I made sure that all of my slices were separated. So now you want to put that off to the side. So here I have my cast iron skillet heating up, and I'm just going to add about 1/2 tablespoon of oil in my pan. And I'm just going to go ahead and add my steak in. And you want to go ahead and salt the taste. And I'm adding some pepper, just a little bit. And I also add in about 1/2 teaspoon of seasoning salt. And you want to be breaking your pieces of steak into pieces while it's cooking. And I'm just going to be cooking this up till it's just about cooked all the way through. Now that my meat is almost done, I'm just going to go ahead and add my peppers. And you just want to cook these until your onions and your green peppers soften up. So I'm going to go ahead and taste one of my green peppers. So our green peppers are done. The green peppers have taken on the flavoring from that steak, and they taste really good. They still have a little crunch to them. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off and set this off to the side so our meat can cool down. So now that our cheesesteak has cooled down, we're going to go ahead and start making our egg rolls. You want to start by putting your egg roll wrapper on a diagonal. Then you just want to take some of your cheesesteak filling and put it in the middle. I'm going to put it towards the end like this. Now I have some smoked provolone here. And I'm just going to take that provolone and I'm going to put it in like that. I also have some cornstarch that I mixed with some water, just to seal my edges in. And I'm going to go ahead and put that around the ends to work as sort of like a glue. To keep our egg roll together. And you just want to roll it like this. You want to roll it maybe 1.5 times. Then you're going to take and tuck your ends over, and you're going to roll again. And that's our first egg roll. Okay guys, so I'm finished making all my egg rolls, so I'm going to take this over to the stove so we can fry them up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put my first one in. And you're just going to cook these up until they're a nice golden brown. Okay, so these 2 egg rolls have a nice color on them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them off to the side on my wire rack so they can drain. I'm just gonna continue to cook up the rest of my egg rolls, and I'll check back in with you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, so here are our egg rolls all plated up. I'm trying to find one that's not too hot. I'm just gonna break one open so you guys can see the inside. And look at that, guys. Look at that cheese pull, still going. And that's how I make my Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and like, share, subscribe, put in your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.